Hello everyone, it's Mateo from Quectel. Today I will show you the SG368Z-WF EVB Kit, an excellent evaluation kit with a new generation SG368Z-WF smart module based on high-performance quad-core IRM Cortex-A55 CPU, IRM Mali G52 GPU, coupled with embedded Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 module. This EVB features multiple interfaces such as USB interfaces, camera, video and audio interfaces, as well as M.2 and TEA interfaces, and many more. The SG368Z-WF module is ideal for applications requiring a module offering a variety of interfaces like CAN bus, SATA interface, RGMII, PCIe, multiple USB with ability to simultaneously run multiple displays or in the need of edge computing capability. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can do smart module evaluation and even quickly start developing your application. Let's dive in and explore the evaluation kit. This kit contains EVB, LCM, RF cables, 3 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 4G antennas, 2 FPC cables, 8 megapixel camera, nuts and bolts, power supply. Now let's get more familiar with the main elements of the SG368Z-WF EVB. Here we can see the SG368Z-WF module. Next we have EDP connector, LVDS and LVDS-TP connectors, LCM connector for LCD, power switch for the EVB power on-off control, power supply on-off indicator, DC power jack, power key which turns the module on or off, 2 camera connectors, RJ45 connectors, SD card connector, CAN interface test point, USIM card connector, module firmware upgrade switch, 4G module, main and diversity antenna connectors of 4G module, headphone connector, USB Type-C connector used for AT command communication, data transmission, software debugging and firmware upgrade, SATA power and data connectors, USB Type-A connectors, HDMI connector, loudspeaker test point. Let's now connect the 4G antennas to the module. We will now attach standoffs so the EVB is easier to operate. The first thing we have to do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. In order to do that, we are going to visit Silicon Labs website, download, unpack and install CP210X drivers. Let's now connect and switch on our EVB. Let's first put out SG368Z-WF module in place. Now we connect the LCD to the DSI-1 connector. Next, we connect this power supply to the DC-in connector. Finally, we connect the USB connectors of the EVB to the PC with the USB cable. To switch it on, we need to set the power switch to the on position. The power indicator will light up. Now we just press the power key for at least 200 milliseconds. The module is now fully operational and ready to work. To find out more about Quectel's SG368Z-WF EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.